Hi, it's David here. It's been a while, but recently I've been working on a SaaS tool by myself and trying to figure out different ways to increase the marketing. And if you're like me, I don't have a lot of time to write blogs, to write a lot of copy, to fulfill all those SEO improvements. So if you're looking to improve your SEO and get organic traffic automatically and do it while you're asleep, and this is the video for you. So this is the Google Search Console data for my current SaaS application. It's called conditionhq.app. And you can see that I started about 3 months ago, and the impression and also clicks has been climbing, although it is kind of going up and down a little bit, but general trend is going upwards. And the way I'm doing this is having Claude write my blogs for me. So every day Claude will publish a new blog post by itself every day, and I will show you how to do that. So this is the SaaS application website that I have. It has a blog page, and inside of the blog page there are tons of blog posts in the page, and to be honest, I haven't read all of them just because it is one new blog post every day, and there is no way I can review all of this. So what I did is I have a AI agent that checks the content that checks the content of the blog post, and from there it checks the factuals and also grammars and everything, and also try to not sound like AI. And from there it just publish the post itself, and I'll show you how you can set it up. So one of the prerequisites of doing this for your own business is that you have to have Claude Code, or else this whole thing doesn't work, because it's using Claude Code to generate blog posts and then posting it on your website. And the way or where your website is hosted also matter as well. For me, I have my website hosted on Vercel, which the blog posts are just code where Claude Code can write the code to put the blog post on there by itself without any of my input and also any of the external API calls. So if you're on other websites like Webflow or WordPress, you might need to figure out a little bit more around how do you upload the content of the blog post to the website. But the current setup I have, because everything is running on GitHub. GitHub is where I store the code, and every time I push a new change to GitHub, it pushes a new version of that website to Vercel. So that means that because Claude Code can connect to GitHub, and it can also have a few connectors that you can use that gets the analytics data for the search data. That means that it can self-improve and write new blog posts every day. So the way you have to set up first is that you want to go into Claude interface, and the Claude interface will have a web UI. So in the web UI, you should click on customize, and the word you're looking for is connectors. So they could change the UI any day from now, but just make sure that look for the connectors, and what you want to look for is Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a tool that can connect to your Google Search Console data that gives you more of the analysis on the search data. So from there, you want to browse connectors. If it's your first time setting up, in the browse connector, find Ahrefs and just click on it. And for me, I'm already connected to the connector, so you just need to go through the process of connecting Ahrefs to Claude Code. Of course, you need to have a Ahrefs account as well. You don't need to have a paid Ahrefs account, because if you have Google Search Console connected to Ahrefs, we're only using Ahrefs as a bridge to get those data. And because there is no official connectors for Google Search Console in Claude Code, And for what we're trying to do, we need to have the official connectors, or else this whole thing doesn't work. We need to have the official connectors so that you don't have to actually write any code for this. And for how to set up a schedule to run the Claude Code every day or whatever schedule you prefer, you have to use a thing called Claude Routine. So I have explained Claude Routine before, but basically it is a schedule task that you can run in the cloud, which is hosted by Anthropic. They will run that task every day or however frequent you want. So it can be weekly if you're not that hardcore like me. You want to just have a weekly blog post, that's fine as well. And you just go into Claude Code, the interface, and tell it exactly what you want to do. So you can say, create a schedule task with /schedule command to automatically review SEO data with Ahrefs connectors and write new blog posts without my input. So that's the one prompt I will give. And make sure that if you have a GitHub repository that has all of the code for your website, make sure you click on this and then select the right repo to be connected. So in the end, the Claude Routine should have two things: the GitHub repository access and also the connectors to Ahrefs, so that every day you would read through the data from Ahrefs, understand what are the search terms, what are the optimization you can be done for SEO, and you'll do that and come up with a new blog post that is good to post today. And the reason why I don't have a human in the loop process for this is because this SaaS product I'm building, I actually don't have that much domain knowledge. So I'm relying on the fact checking of the internet. So whatever is publicly available on the internet, I will fact check with the Claude Routine. I just have to tell it exactly what to check for, and it will just check it for me. So if you have your own business that has been running for a while and you want to set up your own website with a bunch of blog posts, just make sure that you have a way to define the knowledge that is only available to your organization. So what you want to do is you could record like a voice recording, drop into your favorite AI tool, ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini, whatever you want to use, and transcribe it and have that as kind of like a brand guideline where you would know the voice of your brand and what to say and what not to say, so that things doesn't get out of hand if it just continue to publish. So I would recommend setting up, ramping this up slowly. So you could just do it once a month, set up the Claude Routine, do it once a month and see how the quality is. Or you can even just do it manually first. You can just tell it, access Ahrefs data and write a new blog post and see what the blog post comes out and see the content of it and review it, and whatever you don't like, whatever feedback you have for the blog post, you can have it as a brand guideline as well. So in the end, you should have a pretty clear context that you can give to the AI, so it doesn't go off the rail and publish a bunch of videos that is not on brand, or it is just causing a lot of inaccuracy, hallucination. So yeah, that's pretty much the whole setup, where you need to set up the Claude Routine and connect it with the Ahrefs connector, and then you connect it with your website. And in this case, because I'm using GitHub, and you can connect it directly in the web interface of the Claude Code. But if you have other web provider like Webflow or WordPress and things like that, you might need to go into the terminal and figure out how to do it in the terminal, where you have the Claude Code in there and you will hook up all of the external API for you. But for Claude Routine to work, that wouldn't work, just because Claude Routine expects you to work with official cloud connectors. So if you have other things that are outside of official connectors, then you will need to host your own server to run things automatically, which is all doable, but it's just a little bit more work. And in the end, what I want to say is that if you're not trying to figure out how to automate things like this, then it will be really hard to catch up in the future, just because that people are using AI and automation now just to try to buy back their time and also make running their business a little bit easier. And I think for me, it is really just being a blessing, just because that I always have a lot of ideas. And for me, it's kind of hard to execute all of them. And especially now that I'm a father and I have a kid to take care of. And if you're a parent, you know that they take a lot of your time, and it is a good thing. I'm happy with that. At the same time, I have less time to work on my business, so I would need some help to leverage my time and to maximize the input I put in every day. So hopefully this is helpful, and if you have any suggestions on what I should talk about and how I could potentially help your business, just leave a comment below, and we will see you next time. So.